In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet section. Following that, click on Edit under Current Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. Then select Done in Tablet Name pop-up. And as you can see, after that, name of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!